All right, master fabricator Ty over here with our boy Korean Jesus. Coming at you live with the iPhone camera today because we putting the LS back in the truck and we realized we had to do some cutty. So if you see there, we've got the frame has been notched. We've got this bad boy. We've kind of cut out about a 1 inch deep piece out of the cross member just to be able to clear the oil pan, but as you can see, we've got some bolts and some engine mounts. So yeah, I'll pull the engine back out. It is Thursday afternoon and I just kind of wanted to see if we could get the engine in real quick, but we definitely we're in. We have some stuff I think we need to grind out, which I think is going to be some control arms, just ever so slightly, because we are just a little bit hung up on those. So we're going to grind those down a little bit and then I think we should be good to send this bad bitch home. So it's the back side under the truck. So you already know whenever we got the welder out, you know something's about to go bad. And we've got the coveralls on and it's time to do some dumb shit to the Sonoma, or some people have corrected me, the S15. This is a 91, so it is actually a Sonoma. But the LS episode 3 doesn't fit in the engine bay with the oil pan we have. So as you saw from my amazing iPhone video, we've had to do a little bit of notching. And so we've already gone ahead and cut out the section that we need to, and we're gonna replace it with this little piece right here. So hopefully this isn't gonna be a very long process for this and we can finally have the LS in the truck once and for all. This is the section that we cut out in the cross member. So it's a pretty deep section. It's about an inch deep, and that's kind of the only amount of clearance that we need to cut out in order to get the engine to sit low enough to get on the engine mounts. And we also have another sweet update. We've gone ahead and got ourselves a transmission. So we have a S10 NV3500. For those of you that have done the swap or have looked into this, you know what you're looking at. Nothing super crazy. This is just a standard GM 5-speed. For now, this is just kind of what we're gonna run just to get this truck moving. Obviously, at some point, we're gonna have to do an AR5 or something along those lines. But for now, the NV3500 is gonna do. So 4.8 flywheel, clutch, pilot bearing and whatnot is gonna be going on the LS. And then we do also have a B&M short shifter for this guy. So with that being said, I'm gonna quickly throw you guys on the tripod and we're gonna try and do this quick and dirty and get this over with so we can enjoy our weekend here. All right, I'm gonna jack it up and do some stuff on the bottom. All right, so aside from my really shitty welding job, we've just got these two holes on either side of the frame that we're just gonna box in real quick, and then we're pretty much done. So super quick and dirty. And by dirty, I mean like actually like quite dirty. And then obviously we had to give her a little quick paint skididdly after we angle grinded a little bit of the welds down and everything. So let's slap an LS in a freaking Sonoma, boys.
One eternity later.
And I don't feel like I need to show it again of me dropping the engine back in, but we have the engine in. It is sitting on the mounts. We have the bolts just kind of slid into the mounts at this point. It's not bolted up in the back because we are gonna have to make some adjustments in some places and hammer out a couple things. So the engine will be coming out again, unfortunately, and also to add the NV3500 to the back of it. It'll just be easier to have the engine out of the truck, but there you go. Let's pull the engine stand or the engine crane out of the way, and that's how the LS sits in the truck. It definitely is gonna clear the hood. I might have to delete whatever this thing is, because I'm not sure what that is, but it's in the truck. Lots of space for a radiator up front, so we'll figure out some other parts soon. But anyways, guys, a little quick, easy update for the LS, because I have been doing a lot of stuff with the Red Golf. But anyways, as per usual, if you are new to the channel and you want to keep up to date with the LS build in the Sonoma or the S10 or S15 or whatever you want to call it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But anyways, guys, peace out. I will see you in the next video.